Alright, got a 2013 Ford Escape SE. This is a two-wheel drive car. Just want to let you guys know that when I went to AutoZone to go get front brake pads and rotors for this, they gave me the two-wheel drive one, which is what this car is, and the rotors were wrong. The rotors were actually a 1/4 inch smaller in diameter. So what's in the front here is actually all-wheel drive rotors. Yeah, I don't know why Ford put all-wheel drive rotors in the front of this. So just in case you guys ever run into this problem, and the rotor that they give you for two-wheel drive is smaller, it's because you have an all-wheel drive rotor in the front. Now off to the back, hi Arak. Off to the back is two-wheel drive rotors. So how staff for a little mismatch of parts, eh? Okay, clearly this is not a all-wheel drive car. So with the rear rotors, it's just regular two-wheel drive. Everybody knows how to do these. It's the same thing as the front. All right, the brake caliper in the back, take that off with the two bolts. This comes off, and this got the emergency brake in the back. See that? So that means that little piston there with the two notches there, you're gonna have to get a tool in there and spin it clockwise, and you spin it all the way in. So this is the tool that I had bought from Summit years ago. Okay, it's a brake service kit. And what do you think? Ford makes one that the adapter is no stock on this one. This one is just a little bit too wide, and this one, which is just the regular one that's on here that fits all the adapters, it's actually just a little bit too wide also. I was able to get it in there, line it up with the two holes over there. You just gotta push in and turn it clockwise at the same time, and push it all the way in and make it flush. Then make sure that it lines up straight across, and then you're all good to go. All right.